Now let's look at why you should use CSS. There are multiple options when it comes to styling your HTML content. One of them is to put formatting directly in HTML file instead of using a separate CSS file. But there are reasons why you should rather use CSS instead of putting styling directly into your HTML. Now, one of the reasons behind that is that you can apply similar appearance and formatting to several HTML pages from a single CSS file. So this in turn allows you to maintain style and format consistency across all your HTML web pages. So you don't have to worry about remembering them every single time. Inline styling, as we spoke about it earlier, in which you put the styling directly into your HTML content. Now that can be cumbersome when you have to put a particular style to several lots of contents, lots of tags on your HTML page. Say for example, over here as we can see, I want to put the style color equals, the style color equals red to all my paragraphs. So if I have more than 15-20 paragraphs on my web page, I have the option that I can go ahead and write style equals color colon red on each and every paragraph. Or what I can do is that I can simply put one single line, as we will see now, a working example of this, in a separate CSS file and link that CSS file to our HTML content. So this allows us to be at scale, to work very efficiently. At the same time, changing things gives you a lot of control. So if you want to change color from red to blue, you don't have to go for each and every tag writing style equals color colon blue. Instead, what you can do is you can just change from red to blue in a single CSS file. Let's look at an example of this. So over here I have this file index.html. Don't worry about the link tag right now, we'll look at it later. Just see, I have linked stylesheet.css with this particular HTML file. Here it is, stylesheet.css. Now right now I have body color colon red, and here is the entire HTML content. This is what is in body tag. Let's go ahead and see it in browser. This is what it looks like. So everything is in red except the last one, because I have specifically set the last one to blue. If I comment out the last one, again don't worry about the comment syntax, we'll look at it in a short time, and I refresh it, it has again turned into red. Now if I want to turn this from red to say green, I can simply write one single word over here, change red to green, and it works as follows. So this is what allows me to have control over my content in very short and precise manner. I don't have to remember the color, or I don't have to take care of each and every tag on each and every element in my HTML structure. So that is the reason why we recommend using CSS, and why actually CSS does exist today.